still stand them and say that Nnamdi Kanu is a betrayer.
Mm-hmm. To them.
To them. My brother, where are we? Why Igbo people? Listen to me. There's something that I used to see in social media right now. One king like that. I'm seeing it. The king, we went to this, we repair some people. Understand? You know one thing with Igbo people? The problem of Igbo people, if we went to prison, if first in women, if we went to the prison, if we pay some women, if we ask them, what did you commit, and this and this. And most of people that is belling, Yoruba people is there, Hausa people is there, Igbo people is there. Now, he putting it in social media. What is he trying to do?
The king is from where?
No, what? In social media, one king like that, I think in Lagos State here.
Who is the king? I mean, is he Igbo person?
I don't know. Don't worry. Once I see the thing, I will send it to you.
Okay.
Are you understand?
Yeah.
Once I see it, I will check it. Once I see it, I will send it to you.
Okay.
Then, what is they trying to show? The problem of Igbo people, you know what? The Igbo people go closer to the enemy more, thinking that the enemy loves them so much. Meanwhile, the person that loves them so much, they hate the person. That is the problem of Igbo people.
Well, serious hate you. Serious one.
I'm telling you nothing but the truth. But whenever you come out and tell that Igbo people to wait sometimes, Igbo people behave like crabs.
Pulling each other down.
There's something that the e-money do. I'm pointing out something. And something that the e-money do. E-money is from my side. Are you understand?
Yeah.
It's from my side. During the time they are doing election, the Oba of Lagos State and the what did they call it? Do this. They saboteur and kill Igbo people. The end of it is another e-money went and give that other money. Congratulating for something they do. Tell me if it is the Southeast man or Southeast king, say what that Oba say. Where will it be? Is it any Yoruba man that will come out? If he want to celebrate, is it any Yoruba man that will come out, or any Hausa man that will come out and say, Obaya, take our king of Onitsha, Oya, take this in? It was as it happened in this country. Igbo people are fools. I'm telling you, sometimes if I'm going out and look at Igbo people, look at Igbo people now. If the police, they hold you. Immediately they discover that you are Igbo. If you speak Igbo for them, they will never speak Igbo for you. They will turn it into English.
How they come on? Very, very
that
common.
is the problem. Where did them be?
I'm telling you. My brother, before you go, I want you to reply this person. He said, where is your whistle?
My whistle? This is the kind of person this is the kind of people that we are talking about. There's something, name me, say this idiot that is just ask this question now. Because I call it idiot, because it is inability to reason well. Yeah. That is what he means. That is who he is. Understand? During the time of our olden days time, there's something that used to happen. There's something that used to happen. Please, Kai, I want you to continue, but do not cut me. Continue. Okay. I will mute myself, please.
Okay. I will call you back because somebody is calling. So just permit me to call you back. Because if I add you with this person now,
okay. No problem. I'll tell you, my brother.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Good day to you.